we had a request for some Adele.
Adele. Oh.
And
I like that. You don't like that.
it always scares me. You know what I mean? She's like 6 Grammys good. You know what I mean? It's terrifying. But I'm gonna use my mic stand for this so I can breathe properly. Otherwise, it's gonna be a train wreck. Oh. Thank you for the request, though. It's challenging. It's good. It stretches. It's excellent. She's awesome. Adele's my hero. Everybody's getting ready. We're all like really nervous. All right. Everybody tune your instruments. Don't throw her off.
Who requested that? Because I got some choice words later tonight.
No, it's cool. No. It's a really good fan. She comes here all the time, so we definitely have to give her what she wants, man.
know I was just joking.
Thank you for the request.
You know I was
Thank
just
you.
joking.
Whew.
I kid.
I'm kind of glad that's over. Thank you, though. Thank you very much.